Have you recently installed a quality Metlam Australia 3-in-1 combined paper towel, hand dryer and waste unit in your bathroom? This could include a combination unit from the following ranges: the ML7 3-in-1 range, the ML Eclipse range, or the ML Eco 7 3-in-1 range. Our 3-in-1 units are designed and manufactured to the highest standard, and when well maintained, will continue to operate as intended for years to come. Let's take a closer look. For optimal operation of your 3-in-1 combined unit, please ensure that the unit is installed following the instructions detailed in our installation guidelines sheet. The Metlam hand dryer utilized within the 3-in-1 unit uses infrared technology to ensure a completely hands-free drying experience, making it more hygienic. The motor is activated once movement is detected within range of the sensor fitted within the unit. To ensure the sensor activates correctly, please keep the sensor clean of any dirt or grime buildup. The paper towel dispenser in your 3-in-1 unit can be easily refilled using the paper towel as recommended. Please see our specification sheet for details on the recommended paper towel. By ensuring that you keep the mouth of your 3-in-1 combination unit clean and free from debris, and by only using the correct paper towel size, your Metlam Australia 3-in-1 unit will continue to dispense paper towel smoothly. The waste unit consists of a waste receptacle, which can have a rubbish bag fitted and can be emptied with ease when required. So remember, keep the sensor clean of any dirt or grime buildup to ensure that your sensor activates correctly. Always use the correct size paper towel in your paper towel dispenser, and keep the mouth of the unit clean. Remove the rubbish before overflow. For cleaning and maintenance of your 3-in-1 unit, please follow our stainless steel cleaning video on YouTube. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Metlam Australia hand dryer runs smoothly, remains hygienic, and operates at an optimal performance for years to come. For more information or to check out the troubleshooting guide to ensure that your Metlam products stand the test of time, talk to our friendly Metlam team on 1300 Metlam or visit our website www.metlam.com.au.